Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to share with you what I call is my healthy meal, and that included a big bowl of mixed salad and grilled shrimp. I'm gonna take you to the ingredient. We're gonna make actually the salad first, and then we're gonna go to the shrimp. In this bowl I have my lettuce, which I have already washed, and then I cut them into big chunk like that. I have some fresh parsley, which already everything has been washed, half of the onion, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. We have some chickpeas. These are canned chickpeas, and I have rinsed and drained all the water. And then a frozen corn. You can use canned corn as well. For the vinaigrette, I have Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a lemon. So what I'm gonna do first thing is I'm gonna stop chopping all my ingredient that is here. My parsley. I'm gonna slice my onion, finely slice. And then my red bell peppers. I'm gonna remove all the seed. And then I'm just gonna slice them up just like that. I don't wanna make them small cube. And that's it. Done chopping. And now everything goes to my big bowl over here. My onion, all the peppers, including the parsley. And add also your corn, chickpeas. And now let's move on. First thing I'm gonna do is squeeze the lemon into the bowl. And so this is 1 lemon, and it's about 2 tablespoons of juice. And now I'm gonna add my Dijon mustard, which is 1 teaspoon. Salt and pepper. Salt to taste. Pepper, I'm gonna add half teaspoon. And then just mix. So now before I'm gonna add the dressing to my salad, I just wanna give this a quick mix. Okay, now you're just gonna drizzle all the dressing on top of your salad, and then we're gonna give this another good mix. Now you're really gonna mix this up really well. Okay, so that looks good, and now I'm gonna just set this on a side, and then we're gonna start working on the shrimp. I have my shrimp here. I have already peeled all the skin, washed and pat dry. I have extra virgin olive oil. I have a lemon. And then for the spices, I have garlic powder, paprika powder, dry oregano, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Just add all the spices to your shrimp. Lemon juice. Drizzle some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons, and this is about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. And then just mix them all nicely. And also my pan is heating. This is going to be indoor grilling, so I have a pan heating, and then we're gonna go ahead and start grilling the shrimp. And then we will be that close for dinner to be ready. And now I'm just gonna arrange my shrimp on the grill. The shrimp was cooking for 3 minutes, and now I'm just gonna turn this on the other side. You can see the light golden brown that the shrimp catch already. This is what we are looking for. Turn them, and then I'm gonna repeat the same process to the rest of the shrimp. Okay guys, my dinner is ready, which I call a healthy dinner, perfect for a weeknight, and it is so quick and easy that has been done already. My shrimp has the nicely golden brown color which you want to see, and it is perfect. And hope you enjoy this video with me. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you want to see as a healthy dinner in another upcoming video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.